Oukitel, the China-based smartphone manufacturer, has officially launched the successor to its C23 smartphone in its home country in the form of Oukitel C25. This time, the company has replaced the MediaTek chipset with an UniSoc chip. The Oukitel C23 comes powered by the UniSoc Tiger T310 SoC, which includes a Cortex A75 core clocked at 2.0 GHz and 3 Cortex A55 cores clocked at 1.88 GHz. It also comes with a PowerVer GT7200 GPU and the device packs 4 GB of RAM. The smartphone comes packed with 32 GB of internal storage and also has a microSD card slot, which allows users to further expand the phone's storage capacity up to 256 GB. It features a 6.52-inch HD Plus display that offers a screen resolution of 720 x 1600 pixels. On the top of the screen, there's a dewdrop notch that houses an 8-megapixel Sony IMX355 camera for taking selfies and video calling. The phone's back panel has a triple camera setup that includes a 13-megapixel primary sensor, a 0.3-megapixel depth sensor, and another 0.3-megapixel AI lenses. There's also a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for added protection. The device runs the Android 11 operating system out of the box and is powered by a 5000 mAh battery, but support for fast charging hasn't been revealed. On the camera department, the Oukitel C25 come with a triple camera setup on the rear, a 13-megapixel main lens, paired with two other GA auxiliary sensors, while a single 8-megapixel Sony IMX355 is used on the front.